2021 Chevy Silverado 6.2 liter Z71. How many miles are on it? 2,800 miles still, barely anything. There's the factory converters. Then this one doesn't come with a third converter. So the new 21s, most of them don't come with a third converter finally. Then what we put on it is a vibrant stainless steel resonator or large diameter bottle style muffler. It's 3.5 inlet and outlet, 5 inches round, 14 inches long. We'll have a link in the description for you guys. Part number somewhere here, I don't know. I think it's that one right there. Anyways, so but to put it, you have to cut, like put an extra maybe 2 foot of pipe, 3 inch onto it to make it fit, because that muffler that comes on it is gigantic. Anyways, then it wides out the back. Then it's got 2 more resonators here and here. He didn't want it too loud. As you guys can see, it's a really nice truck, really pretty color. And that's it. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, please like, comment, and subscribe. He uses it for business. So. There's sound decibels. I hate those rev limiters, man. They don't let you rev it at all. Yeah. Go ahead and back it up. You want to keep the old muffler? I would keep the old muffler just in case. Yeah. Just in case it's like, oh, it's unbearable. Put it back to. I don't know how much driving you're doing, you know?
I drive a lot.
Oh, really? Yeah, because you shocked me when you said 2,800. I'm like, oh.
I just got it last week.
What? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, you do a lot of driving. Because I got that Ram, it's still got like barely 2,600 miles on it. And I've had it since December. I like it, it's decent. All right, let you guys. Chevy Silverado Z71 6.2 liter hoss of a truck. Really beautiful. A vibrant bottle style muffler. Still has the resonators on it. Enough just clean sound. Hope he likes it.